Hi everyone, I'm Carl, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a pain-free table of contents for your documents. I will be using Google Docs, but the same techniques apply to Microsoft Word, Pages and Libre Office, with just some things being labeled differently. This is a very simple operation, but a lot of people seem to miss it and try to build their table of contents manually. This might work okay if you're working on a short document, but if you're writing anything longer, it very quickly becomes a mess. And even if you manage to nail it down, you add an image or change the font size and boom! You have to remember all the entries. So, what can you do instead? First off, make sure the headings you want in your table of contents are marked with styles, like so. Then, you go to the place in your document where you want your table of contents to go, head to the Insert menu, and click Table of Contents. Select Table of Contents and you're good to go. If you move stuff around later, you will need to head back to your table and select Refresh Table. And as easy as that. All the page numbers are updated and you're good to go. There's another bonus that comes with using styles, and I'll share that with you in a second. But before that, if you found this tip useful, please hit the like button, and if you're interested in more content like this, please drop me a comment below and tell me what kind of tips you would find useful. Right, here's your bonus tip. Styles let you change all items of the same type in one go, so if at some point you decided that all your headings should be in Comic Sans, you can just go ahead and edit one heading, right-click and hit Update Heading 1 to match. And all the headings of the same type will get updated to match. Again, it's a simple tip, but one that many people seem to miss, so I hope this will save a lot of frustration. I hope this was useful, and if you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to this channel, or sharing this video with someone who might find it useful. Thank you for watching.